This video is about how to download and install WhatsApp on your phone. So for those who have Android devices, you go onto Play Store, and for those who have the iPhones, you go on App Store and grab yourself the WhatsApp, whichever WhatsApp you want. So tap on the Play Store. So to have this app, because for me I use the WhatsApp Business, so you tap on install. So let me tap on install. After doing the downloading and installation of the WhatsApp, you can then tap on it. So you can then continue for everything. So the number, put in the number, next. So they send you a number to verify your contact number. Oh, taking so long. Taking so long. So you go into the SMSs, then get to copy the link, the code, then turn back, the app, then you eventually verify your number. So they will communicate to you that to easily send messages and photos to people and businesses, allow the WhatsApp to access your contacts, photos, and other medias. Then say continue, then allow, so they can look for the backups so that you can retrieve your information. So you can this is what they call restoring backup. So we're done with retrieving our or restoring our information. Then tap next. Then tap next again. Can you have it